Welcome to the GATE forum, GATE 2021 solution. Okay, so in this session, I will discuss set 2 mechanical engineering, fluid mechanics question. Okay, so let's start with this question. So in this question, water flow out from a large tank of cross-sectional area, ET is given 1 meter square through a small rounded office of cross-sectional area, A node equal to 1 centimeter square, located at y equal to 0. Initially, the water level H measured from y equal to 0 is 1 meter. Its relation due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. And yes, this diagram is given. Neglecting any losses, the time taken by water in the tank to reach the level y equal to h upon 4 is ... second round up to 1 decimal place. So my dear friends, this question has been asked in GATE 2021, having weightage of 1 marks, asked in set 2, yes, fluid mechanics, or you can say what, from fluid kinematics. And yes, this is the case of unsteady state. Okay, why? Because in this case property will changes as time passes. Water क्या होगा, as time will changes, the height will decreases, so it is unsteady. So we can see initially it is filled. Okay, as time passes, since मास यहाँ से निकल रहा है, so yes, यहाँ से क्या होगा, water level will going to decrease. So according to question, what time it will take to reach at this level? वाटर को यहाँ तक पहुँचने में जब y equal to h upon 4 हो जाएगा, then how long time it will take? That means you have to calculate time. Is it clear? Now just what you have to do, just make a mass balance, mass product balance करना है, ठीक है? So yes, we can say sir here mass in minus mass out equal to change in mass, dm upon dt. Is it clear? But in this question, since mass is not coming, therefore you can say sir this is 0. So yes, we can write mass out equal to dm upon dt. What will be mass? So we can say sir rho mass out. So कहाँ से mass out हो रहा है? From this particular portion, and you know mass flow rate is what, rho a v. So we can say sir rho a node into v. But what will be the value of v here? This is, since this is height h, so yes, we can say sir velocity at this point will be v equal to root under of 2g h. Is it clear? So you can write like that, and minus sign is there. Dm will be what? So we can write d upon dt, mass flow rate. Again you can write a into h into what, rho. Is it clear? So we can write like that, minus rho a node 2gh is equal to what, d upon dt a h into what, rho. Is it clear? Now tell me one thing, can we write like that, dt equal to minus a upon a node multiplied by dh upon root under 2gh. Yes, you can write. Again make slight modification, a upon a node 1 upon root under 2g. Is it clear? And multiplied by dh upon root under h. Is it clear? Now integrate this one. If you integrate, then what you will get, my dear friends? What you will get? You will get t equal to minus a upon a node, this all thing is constant, multiplied by 1 upon 2g, so it is constant, and yes, we can say dh upon root under h. From where to where? 1 to 0.25 na, 1 upon 4. Yes, we can say 0.25. Okay, if you integrate, my dear friends, you will get t equal to a upon a node multiplied by 1 upon root under 2g multiplied by 2, okay, root under h form you can say 1 say 0.25. Yes, there is a minus sign. Okay, there is what minus sign. Now do one thing. Can I write like that? A upon a node multiplied by 1 upon 2g. Now what we have to? We have to change the limit of integration. Okay, so can we write like that? 1.25 to 1. Then what is this minus sign will be ignored? Minus sign क्या होगा? Cancel out हो जाएगा if you are going to change the limit by using the property of integration. Yes. So now tell me what will be the p. So just put the data that is given in the question. You can write 1 upon 10 to the power minus 4 multiplied by 1 upon root under 2 multiplied by 9.81 and yes 2. And yes, we can solve this one. Root under what 1 minus root under 0.25. It clear? If you solve, my dear friends, you will get the value of t, and this value will comes out to be 2258.8 seconds. Okay, so the value of time is 2258.8. So you can say this second will be the answer in second. Okay, so yes, you can say the level of difficulties of this question is moderate, and yes, I think at least 2 or 3 questions we have seen the same question in the test series also. So yes, if you are a student of GATE forum, then I don't think it will be difficult to you. You can solve this question very easily. Just you have to what you have to balance the mass flow rate and you will get the answer automatically. One thing I am telling you, in the coming future it may come, suppose this is mass flow rate is something, mass flow rate in inlet is something will be given, then again you will use the same concept, you will get the answer. In the coming future, such kind of question you can expect. Okay, so my dear friends, now come to the another question. Yes, this is the question. A two-dimensional flow has a velocity in x and y direction given by u equal to 2x y2, v equal to y square t, where t is denotes time. The equation of a straight line passing through x equal to 1, y equal to 1 each. Option A, x square y equal to 1. Option B, x y square equal to 1. Option C, x square y square equal to 1. Option D, x upon y square equal to 1. Yes, my dear friends, this question has been asked in GATE 2021, having a weightage of yes, how many marks? Weightage of 1 marks. And yes, we can say this is a question has been taken from what? Fluid kinematics. कहाँ से लिया गया? Fluid mechanics का fluid kinematics से लिया गया. Is it clear? So my dear friends, this question was predicted. Okay, as if you are a student of GATE forum, then such kinds of question is going to ask. You can understand every year. And yes, this question is very easy. Just you have to know what is the equation of the streamline. Tell me the equation of a streamline, my dear friends. Then we can say, sir, equation of a streamline will be, what will be? This will be dx upon u is equal to what? Dy upon p. This is the equation of what? A streamline. Equation of a streamline. Okay, now see in this question, u is given and v is given. Yes, so put this value, you will get dx. What is the value of u? So 2x yt equal to dy. What is the value of v? Minus y squared t. See what will be cancelled out in this? What will be cancelled out? So yes, we can say, sir, time and time will be cancelled out. 1y will be cancelled out. So we can say that dx upon 2x is equal to minus of dy upon y. Is it clear? Yes. So can you write this thing? Can you write like that? Dx upon x equal to what? Twice of minus dy upon y. Yes. Now do what? Make integration. If you integrate, you will get ln x equal to minus 2 ln y plus some constant of integration. Okay, some constant of integration. If you are going to integrate this one. Now tell me one thing. If I will get the value of constant of integration, I will get the equation of a streamline. अगर मुझे constant of integration की value पता चल जाए और मैं यहाँ पे put करूँगा, then I will get the equation of a streamline. Okay, so what is given? passing through x equal to 1, y equal to 1. So put x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. If you put x equal to 1, y equal to 1, tell me ln 1 equal to minus 2 ln 1 plus c. Is it clear? And you know, my dear friends, ln 1 will be what? 0, 0. So we can say, sir, constant of integration is what? 0. Constant of integration is what? 0. Is it okay? So now what will be equation? So equation will be ln x equal to minus 2 ln y. Now tell me one thing, can you write like that? Ln x plus 2 ln y equal to what? 0. Yes. Now by using the log property, can you write ln y square? Can you write like that? Ln x y square equal to 0. Now take anti-log. If you take anti-log, then you will get x y equal to what? X y square equal to what? 1. So this is the equation of this will be the equation of streamline. So according to the option, you can say, sir, B is the right answer. और ये सब क्वेश्चन you can expect in exam, कहीं ना कहीं आपको मिल जाएगा. But this question was not asked in the set 1. अगर आता तो बहुत easy question था, you could be able to solve. Set 2 में था, set 1 में kinematics तो question ये वाला नहीं था. Is it clear? So yes, we can say the level of this question is very easy. If you have attended our class on online, offline, you can solve this question very easily. Lot of question I used to solve the question in the classes, in the offline as well as online classes. So yes, you could solve this question very easily. Now come to the another question. See this question, my dear friends. An object moving with a Mach number is 0.6. Let's change the color of pen. In an ideal gas environment, which is at a temperature of 350 Kelvin, the gas constant is 320 joule per kg Kelvin. The ratio of specific heat is 1.3. The speed of object is ... meter per second. Round of the nearest integer. Round of the what? Nearest integer. Yes, this question is asked in GATE 2021, having weightage of 2 marks, asked in set 2 paper. Is it clear? And yes, this question very easy, my dear friends. First of all, tell me, in this question Mach number is given, है ना? What is the Mach number? So this is given 0.6. और होता क्या Mach number? What is the Mach number? So we can say this is the, you can say, local velocity upon or you can say local velocity of the object upon velocity of sound in that particular medium. Are you getting this point? So we can say velocity of fluid or this is also called local velocity upon what? You can say upon what? Velocity of sound in this medium. Velocity of sound in same medium. So usually I used to write like that, V upon C. What is C? C is the velocity of sound in this particular medium. What is the V? Velocity, okay, of this particular object on which you want to talk. इसके बारे में पढ़ना चाहती है. Clear? So now tell me one thing. 0.6 is equal to V. What will be C? So you can say, sir, gamma RT. So we can write like that, 0.6 equal to V upon, what is the value of gamma? Here clearly mentioned 1.3. What is the value of R? So yes, it is clearly given 350. This is gamma is 1.3. This is 350. Temperature is 350 and this one is 320. By this you will get the value of V, and you will get the value of V is 228.94, or we can say very close to 229 meter per second. So what we have to put? Round of the nearest integer. So you can write 229 meter per second. So yes, this question is also very easy. बहुत आराम से आप solve कर सकते हैं. बस you should know what is the Mach number. So velocity of object in any medium upon the velocity of sound in the same medium. So this is also called local velocity. And sound in any medium, velocity of sound in any medium is given by gamma RT, है ना, gamma RT से होता है. So by using this you can get the value of local velocity or velocity object in that particular medium or fluid, whatever. Is it clear? Good. What is this question? For a two-dimensional incompressible flow having velocity component u and v in the x and y direction respectively in the expression del u square upon del x plus del uv upon del y can be simplified to option A 2u del u upon del x plus u del v upon del y, option B 2u del u upon del x plus v del u upon del y, option C u del u upon del x plus u del v upon del y, option D u del u upon del x plus v del u upon del y. Yes, my dear friends, again this question has been asked in GATE 2021. It's very obvious, asked in set 2, having weightage of 2 marks. And yes, this is the question of fluid mechanics, or you can say from the fluid kinematics. Fluid kinematics. Okay, my dear friends, there is a one keyword for two-dimensional incompressible flow. This is the keyword in this question. Two-dimensional incompressible flow. What is the equation for two-dimensional incompressible flow? So might be you are aware, for two-dimensional incompressible flow, you can write the equation del u upon del x plus del v upon del y is equal to what? 0. Is it clear? From this word, I can say del u upon del x plus del v upon del y is equal to 0. Okay. Now what I am going to, now I have to simplify this one. The given equation, I have to simplify it now. So we can say, sir, del u square upon del x plus del uv upon del y. Now just differentiate, and what you are going to get, tell me. You will get 2u del u upon del x plus what, partial in differentiation, del u del v upon del y plus v del u upon del y. Is it clear? Now what I am going to do, I am writing it like that. Can I write like that? U del u upon del x plus u del u upon del x plus v del v upon del y plus v del u upon del y. क्या मैं ये लिख सकता हूँ या नहीं लिख सकता हूँ? टेल मी, कैन यू राइट लाइक दैट? है ना, आपने क्या किया, जस्ट 2u del u upon del x, u del v upon del y plus v del u upon del y. Now what I am, मैं इसको ब्रेक करता हूँ, 2u del u upon del x, so I am writing u del u upon del x plus again u del u upon del x, and yes, again what, v. Okay, so yes, this will be u, ठीक है, u del v upon del y plus v del u upon del y. Okay, so tell me one thing, my dear friends, from here I can write like that, u del u upon del x plus, I am taking u common, u del u upon del x plus del v upon del y, okay, plus v del u upon del y. Can I write? Yes. So from the steady incompressible, for the two-dimensional incompressible, you can say this quantity will be 0. This value will be what? This value will be 0. If this will be 0, then what will be our equation? Our equation will be what? U del u upon del x plus v del u upon del y. So if you come to the equation, if you come to the option, then tell me which one will be the right answer, my dear friends. U del u upon del x plus v del u upon del y. Thus we can say, sir, D is the right answer. Okay. So what D is the right answer. Can we simplify to this? So D is the right answer. So yes, we can say that this is also easy question. This equation you have given, and इसी को हमको क्या करना था, simplified करना था. Just make a partial differentiation and we will get use this concept because it is given in the question. By using this, we will get the option D is the correct answer. Okay. सो फ्लूइड कैन देखो काइनेमेटिक्स से, अब इससे एक 2 में अभी तक कितना मार्क्स आप दे चुके हो, 3 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन फ्लूइड काइनेमेटिक्स से आया हुआ था. यस, टेक दिस क्वेश्चन. Which of the following is responsible for eddy viscosity or turbulent viscosity in turbulent boundary layers on a flat plate? So yes, my dear friends, nucleus stress, plantar Reynolds stress, and Bosanquet stress. So yes, we can say for this you use this one stress. और ये आपने पढ़ा भी होगा ईडी वेलोसिटी कॉन्सेप्ट. टेक दिस क्वेश्चन. A vertical shaft Francis turbine rotates at 300 rpm. The available head at the inlet to the turbine is 200 meter. The tip speed of rotor is 40 meter per second. Water lifts the runner of the turbine without fuel. Velocity at the exit of draft tube is 3.5 meter per second. The head losses in different components of the turbine are stator and guide vane 5.0 meter, rotor 10 meter, and draft tube is 2 meter. Flow rate through the turbine is this is mistakes actually, not a turbine. I'm just going to correct this one. Flow rate through the turbine is this one. Take it now. The hydraulic efficiency of the turbine is 20 meter cube per second, but this is not a hydraulic efficiency actually. This is the flow rate through the turbine. This is what flow rate through the turbine. Flow rate through the turbine. So this was just a mistake. Flow rate through the turbine is 20 meter cube per second. Take G equal to 9.8 meter per second square. The hydraulic efficiency of the turbine is ... percentage. Round up to 1 decimal place. Okay. So my dear friends, in this question you haven't need to worry. Just balance the heads. Whatever head available, you have to balance. So we can say, sir, H inlet, head available at inlet is equal to head at turbine plus head at what? Stator plus guide. What is stator plus guide? Plus head available at what? Rotor plus head available at what? Draft tube. Okay, plus whatever velocity at the exit. So V3 square upon what? 2G. Is it clear? So what is the H inlet? So here it is given the available head at the inlet of turbine is how much? 200 meter cube, 200 meter. So yes, we can write 200 meter equal to H turbine plus H rotor guide. So this is given 5, rotor 10. This is given how much? 10 plus draft is given 2. And what is the velocity you are going to get here? My dear friends, this data is irrelevant here. Okay, this was twice written. Okay, this was twice session. So flow rate through the turbine is 20 meter cube per second. That's okay. This was extra added mistake. Okay, so leave this. So and what is V3 man? This is the velocity at the exit of draft tube. Okay. So what is the velocity at the exit of draft tube, my dear friends? So you can say, sir, 3.5 square upon 2G. 2 multiplied 9.81. Tell me, from this point, can you calculate S turbine? Can you calculate S turbine? Yes, you can calculate the S turbine and value will comes out to be 182.375 meter. Okay. Now, once we will get the S turbine, now what will be the hydraulic efficiency? So, hydraulic efficiency, you can say, sir, hydraulic efficiency will be head of turbine upon head available at the inlet. So this is called what? Hydraulic efficiency. Therefore, I have to calculate S turbine, and you had get the S turbine is 182 point, head of turbine is 375 upon H inlet is how much? 200. And yes, if you solve, my dear friends, we will get the value of 0.918, or we can say 91.8%. Okay, how much? 91.8%. So you have to put here 91.8%. Okay, 91.8%. So yes, level of difficulty जब this question is also we can say moderate से भी थोड़ा कम है, कोई difficult नहीं है. Just you have to balance the head, and once you balance the head, you will get the answer. So now take this question. Now take this question. What is this question, my dear friends? A high velocity water jet of cross sectional area 0.01 meter square and velocity 35 meter per second enters a pipe filled with stagnant water. So this diagram is given pipe, intent water, this one inlet is this, and this is what outlet. The diameter of the pipe is 0.32 meter. This high velocity water jet intends additional water from the pipe, and total water leaves the pipe with a velocity of 6 meter per second as shown in the figure. The flow rate of intent water is ... liter per second round off to 2 decimal place. Yes, my dear friends, again, this question has been asked in GATE 2021, having asked in set 2, having weightage of 2 marks. ठीक है, और इसमें यस यू कैन से दिस क्वेश्चन वेरी इजी आल्सो. बहुत इजी क्यों है? बिकॉज जस्ट यू हैव टू बैलेंस द डिस्चार्ज. ओके, यहाँ से आ कितना आ रहा है? तो आ रहा है 35 मीटर पर सेकेंड, और आपको यू नो उसका एरिया भी पता है, तो आप डिस्चार्ज निकाल लोगे. वन मोर थिंग, इसमें दे आर सम इंटेंड वाटर, मतलब उसके अंदर में कुछ वाटर था, और जो एग्जिट जो हो रहा है ना, सो दिस वाटर प्लस कमिंग दिस वाटर, दोनों मिलके क्या हो रहा है? एग्जिट हो रहा है. सो बट यू नो ना, सिंस इट इज इनकम्प्रेसिबल है ना, तो आप क्या करोगे? डिस्चार्ज को बैलेंस करोगे, एंड यस इट इज गोइंग टू आस्क द फ्लो रेट ऑफ इंटेंड वाटर. सो व्हाट यू कैन से, सर हियर डिस्चार्ज ऑफ हाई वेलोसिटी, दैट मीन्स व्हाट? कमिंग वाटर, coming plus discharge of what? Entrained water. Entrained water equal to what? Discharge at outlet. This one, discharge at what? Outlet. So now tell me, my dear friends, according to this, what we can say? See here, what is the coming? So you can say, so what is the cross sectional area? So 0.01. So 0.01 multiplied by area into velocity. What is the velocity? 35. Okay, plus q ew, you have to calculate equal to what? Q outlet. So you know this is what? Area. What is the diameter is given? What is this diameter, my dear friends? So this diameter is given, you have to 0.32. okay, so you know pi by 4 d square, 0.32 square into velocity. What is the velocity? So it is exit with the velocity of 6 meter per second. So yes, we can write 6. Okay, can you do thing? By solving this, we will get the q ew, या discharge जो है, so we will get, and this value will comes out to be 0. how much? 0.13255 मीटर क्यूब पर सेकेंड. इसका यूनिट क्या हो जाएगा? मीटर स्क्वायर. आर यू गेटिंग दिस पॉइंट? ठीक है. नाउ टेल मी वन थिंग, व्हाट यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट, यू हैव टू इन द लीटर पर सेकेंड. यहाँ से जो इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 to the power what? 3, then yes you will get this value is 132.55. so here what you have to put? You have to put 132.55. so this will be the your answer. okay, इसका यूनिट क्या होगा बताओ? जो आएगा इसका होगा मीटर क्यूब पर सेकेंड, है ना, और आप इसको लीटर में कन्वर्ट करना होगा, तो इसको आप 10⁻³ से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते. तो याद रखना, जबकि मीटर क्यूब पर सेकेंड को लीटर पर सेकेंड में आपको कन्वर्ट करना, देन यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10⁻³ सो यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ 132.55. okay, so yes, answer will be 132.55. okay, so yes, my dear friends, we can say the level of this question is what? Moderate. And yes, if you talk about the overall paper of fluid mechanics, GATE Mechanical 2021, just you can say, sir, less than moderate, or you can say easy question. All the mostly question was easy, or slight there are few question which was at the moderate level. कोई भी ऐसा क्वेश्चन नहीं था जिसमें कि दिस वाज यू कैन से बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट हो, ऐसा कोई भी क्वेश्चन नहीं था. सो यस, इफ यू आर द स्टूडेंट ऑफ गेट फॉरम, all the question I am sure you could be able to solve in the final exam, because such kinds of question you can also find in your test series, है ना. ऐसा क्वेश्चन तो आपने टेस्ट सीरीज में भी देखा था. तो होपफुली अगर आपने टेस्ट सीरीज दिया होगा, हमारा ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन कहीं भी आपने पढ़ा होगा गेट फॉरम का, तो ऑब्वियसली आप सारा क्वेश्चन को बहुत इजीली क्या कर सकते हो, सॉल्व कर सकते हो. ठीक है. सो थैंक यू टू ऑल ऑफ यू वाचिंग ऑल द सेशन. थैंक्स. गुड लक.